everybody, this is Regina from Get Fit with Regina. Today I'm talking about walking, one of the easiest exercises that you can do. Whether you choose to find a walking path or a ball field or walking around your block, doesn't really matter. Lace up your sneakers, put on some walking shoes, and get to stepping. Why? Because walking is one of the easiest things that you can do, and it's one of the best things that you can do for your body, and it's also free. Okay, it's free. So what you're doing is you're strengthening those bones, you're working that cardiovascular system, you are clearing out all that stale air in your lungs. Oh my gosh, what else? It helps to tone, you can lose weight. There was an article I read a few months ago, about this elderly woman who would walk 3,000 steps in her one-bedroom apartment every day, in addition to adopting a vegan diet, and the weight just poured off. So she just laced up, she knew her apartment, she didn't have any tripping hazards, and she got to moving. One of my subscribers mentioned how her and her buddies created a walking club, and they try to walk at least 2 miles daily. So however you can get your walking in, it's just important to get your walking in. Because again, you're toning, you're working that cardiovascular system, you're getting fresh air, you're strengthening those bones, and it's just a great fitness routine to do on the regular. It's also free. I did mention that earlier, right? That it's free. So anyway, get to stepping. Put on those walking shoes, sneakers, comfortable clothing, put your music on, or just listen to the sounds of nature. And, get your walking in. Now, I know that they said that 10,000 steps is a great, benchmark, but I think those numbers have changed. In actuality, it's however many steps that you can get in daily. So if you can only get in a few steps, fine. Just keep building upon that. For me, I like to get in a lot of steps, but that's just me. It may not be for you. The key is just walk. Do that on a regular, and you will improve everything that you need to improve in terms of fitness. I hope this message helps. Be sure to check out my other videos, and be sure to share this channel with friends and family. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, suggestions, likes, dislikes, whatever, but leave your feedback. We'll greatly appreciate it. Bye-bye.